This is an Asian form of machete. This is a little smaller than a typical machete, but and the shape is slightly different. But machete generally goes up like a sword, and it's sharp on this edge. But this has got like a crooked type of face like this, and it's quite sharp on this end. And it's a very versatile tool. Hence, you see people in jungles and Amazon and all these areas, they always have machete in their hand, because if you want to plant something, you can dig with it, plant. You can chop something with it. You can clear path, clear the bush with it. It's got enough weight that it can chop easily. Small plants, bush easily, yes, no problem. But even small trees, it can chop them easily. Or if you want to trim the branches, it can do the same. It can do the job very easily. Once again, even if you have anything, if you have a game or something that you want to chop the meat to eat, to consume, it can do the same. It can do the job very efficiently. So it's a very nice, very good tool. I've recently got it. I haven't sharpened it. It is sharp enough. I've sharpened it once, but the file hasn't got to my liking yet. But I'll get around to it later. I'm just gonna, I was thinking of chopping a small tree here, which is right in the middle of my bed. And I was thinking of planting spinach in this bed, and further down. I was thinking I'll plant spinach. So I need to get rid of this tree here. And first I thought I'll dig it out, but then I thought I'll use this, because this does the job just fine. Like, for example, if I have axe in one of my good axes, I won't put that into the soil. But it's got this end which is blunt. It doesn't matter if I push soil from that end. So here we go, job done. So this is an excellent tool.